are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today I give you the format of formal letter. First, you know about what are formal letters. Now, formal letters are generally written to a higher authority. Applications letter to editors, job applications, business letters are considered as formal letter. स्टूडेंट्स, जो फॉर्मल लेटर होते हैं जिन्हें हम औपचारिक पत्र कहते हैं हिंदी में, वो जो जनरली जो होते हैं वो हायर अथॉरिटीज़ को लिखे जाते हैं, जिनमें एप्लीकेशंस होती हैं, एडिटर्स को लेटर लिखना, जॉब एप्लीकेशन के लिए बिजनेस लेटर, ये सारे जो लेटर्स होते हैं वो फॉर्मल लेटर की कैटेगरी में आते हैं. नाउ द लैंग्वेज एंड द फॉर्मेट आर ऑफ अटमोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंस इन राइटिंग सच लेटर. तो जो लैंग्वेज और जो फॉर्मेट हम यूज़ करते हैं उसका बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंस होता है इस तरह के लेटर्स को लिखने में. सो हियर देयर इज फॉर्मेट ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर्स. फर्स्ट यू राइट द योर ओन एड्रेस, मीन्स सेंडर्स एड्रेस. नाउ आफ्टर दैट रिसीवर्स एड्रेस, सब्जेक्ट, salutation, main body of the letter, complimentary clause, name and designation, and date. And you write date after sender's address. Now here one example is given to you, students. Like, write an application to your class teacher requesting him to grant you 1 week leave on account of your sickness. So when you write that type of informal letter, first you write the receiver's address. आप जिसे भेज रहे हैं आप उसका designation और उसका address लिखेंगे. Like, to the class teacher, multipurpose school, Tikamgarh. Now after that you write the subject कि what is the matter about of your writing, आप किस कारण से लिख रहे हैं. Then application for leave, छुट्टी के लिए application है. Now then salutation, sir, and then body of letter. I beg to state that I am suffering from fever, cold and sore throat. The doctor has advised me to take complete bed rest for a week. Kindly grant me 1 week leave from 3rd September to 9th September 2000 . Now after that, complimentary ending means thanking you. Then yours obediently, write your name, your class and then date. While writing an application you mention date here, but when you write a letter then you write that date after the sender's address. So as you see here, students, ki all these points are in same line. So you have to write applications or letter in that format. Here, students, one more example of formal letter. Like, example is, write an application to the collector of your district for imposing restriction on the use of loudspeakers. कि आपको एक application लिखनी है collector को, जिसमें आप जो लाउड स्पीकर है उस पर जो रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगाना है उसके लिए आपको लेटर लिखना है. सो यू स्टार्ट टू द कलेक्टर, ग्वालियर. देन सब्जेक्ट, एप्लीकेशन फॉर इम्पोजिंग रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन द यूज ऑफ लाउड स्पीकर्स. देन salutation, sir, I beg to state that our board examinations are at hand. Our study is disturbed by too much noise made by loudspeakers. From early morning till late in night, loudspeakers blare out bhajans, harsh music and advertisements. We are not able to concentrate on studies due to loud noise. So you mention in that your body of letter. Next, I request you to kindly impose restrictions on the use of loudspeakers at least till our examinations are over. Now thanking you in anticipation, yours sincerely. And at last here this write the sender's name and address, Pinky Ranigar, then house number F294, Kabir Nagar, Gwalior, and date of letter 19th November 2000 and 2021, whatever you want to write. So students, there are two formats of letter writing. One is application and one is a letter to collector. So you have to write it in your notebook and learn it.